how to create a new Java project in 3 different ways. 3, okay? So the first way will be through your terminal or command prompt if you're using a Windows. The second way would be through your IDE. For today, I'm using JetBrains IntelliJ. And the third way would be through Spring Initializr. First, I launched the terminal. After launching the terminal, I ran some commands to ensure that I had the correct version of Maven installed in my MacBook. Okay, so after confirming the version of Maven, I ran this Maven command, which is going to help us generate a Java project from a Maven template. This command will generate a Java project from Maven archetype quick start template. So my group ID is com.demo.project, and then my project name is going to be terminal project. So this is the artifact ID. This artifact ID is the template I'm going to be using, and I'm going to set my interactive mode to false. So when I run this Maven command, I'm going to get this. Yes. So then I go to my IntelliJ and I open the folder. I locate where it is and open the folder. Okay, so here is the project. So we're going to run the main. It already actually came this. So for the IDE way of creating a new project, I'm going to click new projects, then type out the name I want my project to have. So I'm going to use IDE projects. Then I'm going to choose Maven, which is a software project management tool. Then create. Okay, so this was pretty fast. Then I just want to show you how to run a main method. So I'm going to create a class Hello World, our first program. For the Spring Initializr method, I went to Safari and searched for Spring Initializr. It's going to bring you to this page. I selected the Maven tool to use to build the project. The language is Java, and my artifact ID is going to be Spring Projects. My group ID is going to be com.example. I selected the jar file and 22 for my JDK. I used Lombok since I'm going to be dealing with annotations for my dependencies, and I generated the file. So here I came to my downloads and clicked the zip that I downloaded. So I went to IntelliJ and selected the particular place where it was downloaded, and it brought me to this project. It had already created a project. So this is me building the project.